Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I'm gonna be reacting to the official trailer of the much anticipated Hindi film 83. It is literally trending on #1 in YouTube right now. So really excited. This is releasing on 24th December. Wow, I'm so torn. 24th, oh, this is releasing. Then on Netflix, Minnal Murli is releasing, so I'm really excited. 24th December is going to be like a, busy day, huh? I feel for viewers like us who are excited for so many films. So let's watch this trailer because this is pretty long, almost 4 minutes, and I love Ranveer Singh. His acting is absolutely top notch. There's no doubt about it. And this movie, of course, is very close to our hearts, because this is of course based on the first World Cup win in cricket for us. So yeah, this is gonna be full emotional viewing experience, I feel, for so many of us. So let's watch this trailer. All right, here we go.
India must be still recovering from the double thrashing they received from the West Indies and Australia. If they win today by a huge margin, they're still in the tournament. If not, so long.
Caps, it's 2 down, Caps.
That's another one gone.
Caps, 3 down.
क्या बचपना है? Just shut up.
This is a disaster.
Caps, 4 out हो गए.
इतने important मैच में भी सीरियस नहीं होना है. मजाक की भी हद होती है. स्कोर क्या है?
9 रन.
4 wicket down. Where is our team bus? No bus here for Indian team.
आराम से मारना चिक्का. भाई नेट प्रैक्टिस है. हमको चुम्मा टुकु खेलने नहीं आता. और कपिल ऐसे समझा दे, मैं सर पे मार देनी बॉल.
रहन दो मत, पर नहीं आती उसे डिफेंस.
चिक्के उधर क्वीन को आग मत मार देना.
श्रीकांत.
Best of luck.
ओए बल्लू, इसे बोल कल तुझे देख लूंगा.
बात सुनो.
क्या बोला था? कल तुझे देख लूंगा.
सीट मारो.
कल बड़ा मैच है ना?
It's a do and die. क्या है?
You mean do or die?
So now in 1983 we come here and our captain says we'll beat the West Indies. Hey, क्या पागल हो गया रे हमारा captain?
Gentlemen, line up, please. Everybody look in the lens.
What do you think are your team's chances in the cup?
We here to win.
To win the World Cup?
What as we here for?
I don't think the Indians
Ranveer
can
Singh,
quite
oh
see
my
the
God.
ball. It's moving too fast for them.
India in big trouble now. 2 wickets down in quick succession. एक के बाद एक बल्लेबाज
मैच
लौटते
खत्म,
हुए.
वर्ल्ड कप खत्म, कप्तान खत्म.
ओए एक मैच तो जीत के जाओ. एक
35 साल पहले हम लोग आजादी जीते, मगर इज्जत जीतना अभी बाकी है कप्तान.
ग्राउंड के बाहर हमारी लाइफ में कुछ भी हो रहा हो, जब हम ये यूनिफॉर्म पहनकर ग्राउंड में उतरते हैं तो हमारा एक ही मकसद होता है, जान लगा के देश के लिए खेलना.
Cannot recognize him, man.
I say before, we here to win.
Oh man, I already feel like crying. मतलब ट्रेलर तो सुपर हिट है. Wow, let me stop this. They literally showed the full movie, I feel. मतलब मूवी दिखा दी इन लोगों ने. But it's okay. I was so like into the trailer where I was so engrossed and just gave me goosebumps. The ending part was freaking fantastic. Ranveer Singh. He's unrecognizable, guys. The guy is unrecognizable. And the accent, the way he's talking. यार मेहनत तो मतलब you can just see the hard work. Trailer से ही you can understand the kind of hard work he has put in. This literally, I mean, Ranveer has so many great performances up his kitty, but this is, I don't know, I just feel this is literally going to be like the crown on his career performances. Like, this is like the crown. मतलब मैं तो already like imagine कर सकती हूँ in the theaters, whistling, hooting, clapping. Oh, all of this is going to happen. And trailer देख के what I feel is that this movie has been, of course, it's a Kabir Khan film, so I sort of know his style of direction. So this absolutely has that commercial tadka of it, which is fine. I don't mind it at all. The movie needs to be very engaging and good, and I just hope, my only wish is that ठीक है वो थोड़ा तो emotional content वो heightened रहेगा because it's a commercial film, so you have to have like the dramatic BGM, थोड़े dramatic dialogues, and वो सब ठीक है चलता है. But what I want is that they have to treat the game properly. Like, they have to give literal respect to the players over here and the game. I hope they show the matches well. The entire, you know, India sort of reaching to the finals and what happening, the final match basically. I just hope they show it well, and I think karenge. I have faith looking at the trailer that they're probably going to show it. But props to all the actors over here. Props to all the actors. Really, props to all actors. But Ranveer Singh's accent is just blowing my mind away. It is so on point. Guys, it is so freaking on point. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जितनी तारीफ करूँ कम है. Really, I love it. I absolutely loved the trailer. हो सकता है मतलब थोड़ा कम दिखाते तो भी चलता. I feel like 4 minutes is really long. Like I said, this basically gave out the entire story. But ठीक है, this is like something that a lot of people know about. I just have a feeling, you know what, this movie, for some reason I feel that मैं तो enjoy करूँगी, but I just feel my parents are going to enjoy this even more. Because they witnessed it. They actually witnessed this epic moment. मैं तो उस टाइम पैदा भी नहीं हुई थी. But I think this movie is going to hit my parents more emotionally. Like, they get to relive this epic victory. जैसे जब MS धोनी देखा था तो वो फाइनल वाला मैच, मतलब like I got goosebumps when I watched MS Dhoni. I got goosebumps. So I feel कि मतलब इसमें भी बहुत ही proud feel होगा. But I think I just wanna see my parents' reaction when they're watching this movie. So I think this is going to be such a great experience for them. Such a great experience for them. Thank you, you know, Kabir Khan and team for bringing this movie to us. I just know कि this looks, just looking at the trailer feels like blockbuster. Share your thoughts in the comments, हाँ? कैसा लगा trailer? Please do share your thoughts. And yes, I will end the reaction here. I will see you soon on my next video, guys. Bye.